like on stone. Step on a gas and go.
Straight on the reverse, it was a 2 kilometer. Jesus.
It's racing it though.
Yeah. How far he has to go before he gets out?
Big that's it.
Even you can take the X1 thing. The time.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the F1 one. Is the charger not working? We've been on charge. Ready for work. Do you need phone on charge?
Yeah.
We went to battery charger. Do you need it?
Vet du?
You can't charge your phone on the buses. I've never been on the 72 before, but yeah.
You mean the after Dunlop?
So let's go past the red dragon anyway. We're not going to stay on the way.
Pints.
We're not going on a bus trip then.
All right.
Yes, we've actually done that. By stay. All of us on the bus. And we're by Asda. Yeah. Up by
That's she's doing it. And they're doing us.
yeah.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
This one we're on.
I know what I'm thinking about. And
Yes,
you're
we're on.
now. And my friend was looking it up. But you can put up.
It's happening, Princess of Wales.
I wasn't sure. I will.
Yeah.
Princess of
Yes,
Wales.
we're on.
What
Med den løber afsted,
13 to 16,
One
Each
the ones
fair
that go
stores. And they have like
like
traders and
like
things.
like
Have you ever been to East Fair?
one of them.
No, I think East Fair.
Run that bus.
They didn't run
Off
it
bus.
out the year before that. They took a comfy seat, but they did go to
Red Dragon, watch game.
East Fair store.
What's the price for it still?
It's a 13 to 16. That was
jealous.
Wednesday to Saturday. And it's all different stores. And I was
Red Dragon.
yeah, done with the day, and it's the stores and the stores on my right. Yeah, 13 to 16. Yeah, you look it up on that. I but it does say 13 to 16.
That's what we're saying. They must talk
Yes,
about
I could get it wrong. I
How do you start that?
couldn't tell you. They do this like some sort of thing. I don't know.
instead of half this must have like. Well,
Tuesday, 12. You got it right.
it's a conference.
Yeah, the fun was Tuesday, but now. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
There's only one company.
So that's 3 stores, obviously. Yeah. I just look for some of them. You can spend a talking over there. I do.
Yeah, that's right. The game does finish until about 7 or half 7.
I just look at them and different than that before. But I really get my shirt off and I don't put them.
What time you in work tomorrow?
I don't mind it. Just follow me. Thank you.
8 o'clock.
Yeah, I don't mind
Get the
that.
back doors as well.
They
You have to do the back doors to reset the bell.
got a few.
Or the back doors to reset the bell.